फिर मुझे क्या बोलना होगा? मैं तो कुछ भी बोल दूँ थोड़ा।
आगे क्या बोलूँ?
Like I was unable to open. Chef is quite great, I must say.
अगर ये अच्छा भी नहीं होता ना तो बुरा लगता है.
मेरे में straw नहीं है ना शायद.
What kind of tandoori is this?
Yeah.
Why Zepto? Why did you make this? Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you've read by the title, आज we are going to do a 24 hours eating from Zepto Cafe challenge. Initially we planned कि breakfast भी हम order करेंगे Zepto Cafe से. We woke up at 12 and अभी it's 2 o'clock right now. So हमारे पास सिर्फ लंच ऑर्डर करने का ही ऑप्शन था. For today's video, I have a very special guest. She is Mishka. She is my best friend, and we have known each other since class 6th.
Hello guys. It's not my debut, but a little camera conscious. Happy to do so for my bestie, and let's see आज what I get to eat.
Start. Let's see what's in there. वैसे हमें पता है क्या है क्योंकि हमने ऑर्डर किया. स्मेल बहुत अच्छी आ रही है.
Literally.
We have ordered कुलचे, पनीर टिक्का मसाला एंड राइस, छोले.
Like I was unable to open it. So the packaging is.
It's very sturdy.
Yeah. It smells really delicious. Oh my god. Yeah.
खा के देखते हैं कैसा लगता है. You want to do the taste test?
Yeah. Let me. I'm a very big foodie actually.
And आप लोग देख सकते हैं ये पता नहीं चलता है कि मुश्किल is a very big foodie.
But yeah, I love food.
Yeah.
Nice.
The kulcha is also nice.
Very soft. And we are very hungry also.
हमें पता था हमें उठना है, वीडियो शूट करना है, ब्रेकफास्ट का ऑर्डर करना है.
Sorry, I'm very clumsy. Sorry.
But we did not wake up, so ये भी कुछ दिया है इनने.
Pickled चटनी वाला vegetable.
हाँ. सैलेड तो नहीं लग रहा है, चटनी लग रहा है.
It's for the kulcha only, I guess.
So this chole kulche was for 190 rupees. Quantity of chola is also okay.
Sufficient
हाँ.
for one person to fill his stomach. It's fresh also. Like we were scared ki Zepto Cafe because we had heard stories ki some things are like very stale and all, but it's quite fresh. That you can tell by the taste.
Let's do a rating sort of thing for this. So we have to rate the taste, the packaging, and the price.
Thing was fine. 7 or 8 out of 10. For taste, 8 out of.
का करते हैं. ठीक है.
फिर से करते हैं. Cut. Taste it would be a 4 on 5. Oh, price I will give it a solid 5 on 5.
For packaging, I would say it's 4, and taste 4 and 4.2 for. मतलब it's a good chole kulche. Price 190 rupees for this much. It is very good. So chole kulche 5-star taste test. The next thing that we're going to try is paneer tikka masala. We are very hungry by the way. तो अगर ये अच्छा भी नहीं हुआ शायद हमें अच्छा लग रहा हो. ये सब चावल में सब्जी मिल चुकी है ऑलरेडी.
Paneer का देखो, is it tender or not? Trying to be Sanjeev Kapoor over here. Oh my god, I love that. This is very fresh and very tasty. Oh my god.
Very tasty. Yeah, let me see the price.
Yeah, I'm gonna order again. This thing is very good.
So this paneer tikka masala and rice is for 243 rupees. We ordered this at 1:42 and order got delivered at 1:54 p.m. Did not expect कि इतना अच्छा मिल सकता है. Zepto Cafe पे
Being
जो इतना जल्दी दे रहा है. Oh God, I'm excited for the snacks.
and this is not a sponsored video. इतना मुझे
Not yet, guys, because I have just 100 subscribers.
Oh god, the chef is quite good. I must say.
अपने आप को रोक नहीं पा रहे हैं तो इससे पहले हम रेटिंग दे देते हैं.
10 on 5. It's so good. I really loved this one. Packaging, it's okay. Like container was that kind कि वो थोड़ा spillage तो हो गया. 3 on 5. Price 3.5. For
the taste, it is very good, really nice. 4.5 out of 5. Packaging is 3. Third thing was price. 3.5. Yeah, क्योंकि थोड़ा कम हो सकता है, but ठीक है.
Like,
अच्छा है.
As compared to the chola.
अगर ये अच्छा भी नहीं होता ना तो बुरा लगता है, लेकिन it was good.
It was very good. I'm very impressed. Zepto Cafe. Keep going like this. It's really good.
और इससे ज़्यादा we are excited for snacks. We'll see you during the snacks. For the snacks, we have already ordered quite a few things. ये सारी बेस्ट सेलर में थी, so देखते हैं how do they taste. Actually मिश्का के लिए भी सरप्राइज है क्योंकि
Yeah.
मिश्का को पता नहीं क्या ऑर्डर हुआ है. What do you want to eat first?
I can read here tandoori momos. Why not?
You want to eat? ठीक है तो मोमोज पहले खाते हैं और अगर कुछ वो उसके लिए हमारे पास कॉफ़ी भी है you know.
This is
This is hazelnut cold coffee.
pressed by the
So
freshness.
this is how it looks. I have 6 momos here. I don't know what kind of tandoori is this.
Yeah.
And they have not also given any kind of chutney here.
Yeah.
जो थोड़ा spicy कर सकती थी. Let's give it another try. Nothing is going to change.
But actually lunch के बाद मेरे expectation बहुत बढ़ गए थे.
I think it's below average because इसमें कुछ मोमोज का ऐसा spiciness और
Well, it's not bad, but not momos.
yeah.
स्पेशली तंदूरी मोमोज तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं. तंदूरी मोमोज के नाम पे 215 for taste. The packaging was impressive.
Tandoori momos were for 160 rupees for 6 pieces.
Price wise, it's fine because it looked quite
Tempting.
nice. Yeah.
High expectations. So packaging, I would rate it 5. Packaging was good, really good. Taste wise, it's same for me, 2. Because I तो expected it to be a lot more spicy. Spiciness की range में. Price 160 rupees. I think okay ठीक है. Do you want to try the coffee first? क्योंकि थोड़ा
Yeah.
taste अच्छा करता है.
Yeah.
और इससे भी मुझे बहुत expectations हैं. This is hazelnut cold coffee and mine is Vietnamese.
I've heard a lot about Vietnamese वाला from here. It looks so beautiful.
Yeah.
Minestrone है ना शायद. तो I'll just. Oh.
I hope the taste is good. This is very sweet, I think.
Hazelnut. My God. This is like really good.
Yeah, this is really nice.
I actually like this also, but after tasting this, it appears to be much more sweeter.
ये जो syrup है, that is making it very sweet.
Yes, they should.
But this is very good. It is
Oh my
standing
God,
up to
it's a
its
lot
hype.
of- Huh.
Next thing, what do you want to try?
Cheese corn nugget.
Yeah, so it's looking very
Nice.
Yeah. So this is how the cheese corn nuggets look. And let's start. Also given some mayo and soy sauce.
This looks tandoori mayo now.
Which was missing in the momos.
Yeah. Just, do a chef. Oh. Nice. मकेन टाइप का थोड़ा थोड़ा टेस्ट आ रहा है.
The coffee. This is not as disappointing as the momos. बढ़िया है.
बढ़िया है.
How would you rate it?
Taste, I'll rate it like something around 3.5.
Let me check the price. 10 pieces for 154.
If you compare the prices to a cafe, proper cafe or something, then it's good.
I would rate this in taste 3.
इससे भी अच्छे हो सकते हैं.
प्राइस के हिसाब से ठीक है, अच्छा है. 10 pieces for 150. Good. What are you expecting it to be?
Oh, garlic bread. I love garlic bread.
This is how the what was this? Italian garlic bread looks like. So try it, Mishka. Since you are pro garlic bread taster. So
Looks wise, it looks the one which we are served on the side of a pasta. So not that impressed, but see.
actually the cheese garlic bread was out of stock.
Oh,
I think that is very good. So वो out of stock हो रही है हर जगह. मुझे
that's
मिली
why.
नहीं.
Got it.
So ये option था तो I ordered this.
But it's good.
It's-
The richness of butter and garlic is there. And भी dry नहीं feel हो रहा है.
Like Domino's वाली garlic bread.
चलो, at least I'm impressed with the garlic bread.
It was for 60 rupees.
So 60 rupees for 2 pieces of garlic bread.
My God, I'm impressed.
Will you order it again?
Yes, definitely.
कल ही.
Yeah, I think so.
So Mishka is highly impressed by this.
With the price, my God.
For the price, I would rate it 5 out of 5. For the taste wise, I will give it 4.5 by 5. Packaging 5 out of 5. Until and unless something spills out of the packaging, it is 5 out of 5. How would you rate it?
4, which is a very nice score. Price, to my God, 10 on 5.
तो लग रहा है कि जैसे जैसे हम end of the video जा रहे हैं, food is becoming tasty.
Better and better.
Yeah.
Let's open that.
Croissant. Bread again. That's why I do not want to open.
This is also bread?
No, this one is not.
Okay, okay.
You can eat it at the last.
Fine.
Can you guess what is?
Now I saw it. It's a bow.
My
I
bad.
guess.
So,
My God, it's
see
so
how
cute.
cute this is looking. This is veg pizza bao. They have also given a sauce with this, which is momo sauce. which was missing in the momos.
Looks like a soy sauce packet. Let's not spill it over the entire pav.
Try it.
See,
See the filling. Yeah.
I don't know. Maybe our stomachs are full now.
Matlab, why doesn't it have any taste?
Entire taste
It's
was
so
of the
sauce.
yeah.
Without the sauce, we can't eat this. This is not feeling like fresh.
I don't know how is it still so fluffy.
Without the sauce, it has no taste. The only good thing about this is the softness and the sauce.
Sauce is
Without
really
the
good.
sauce, we could not have
I guess
eaten
you
this.
should try this sauce for the moment.
I think they knew
sauce.
कि इसमें कुछ taste नहीं है. So they gave the sauce. Another disappointing thing we are eating right now. So this was for 120 rupees. 2 pieces of bao. I don't know how to describe the taste because they literally have just a minimal taste
Yeah.
that you can get because of the veggies.
Filling is very less and the outer layer is quite thick as compared to that. So maybe that's why the bread is only taking over.
Just because of the sauce, we were able to eat this.
Yeah.
So I will rate this in terms of taste. It was 1 out of 5.
Taste was 2. Packaging 5 out of 5.
As the parameter is, if it does not spill, it is 5 out of 5.
Price के लिए या 5.
The final thing, which was very,
Much viral on YouTube and Insta.
is their mini butter croissant. और जो luckily out of stock नहीं था.
Oh god.
So I could get my hand on this and let's try this. So
They're very cute.
this is how the mini croissants look. Very cute and I hope the taste is equally good. Another chance.
Yeah, not impressed.
बहुत dry है.
So hard.
They are supposed to be soft, fluffy like the big croissant that we get.
Yeah, exactly.
So और जितना ये trend कर रहे थे, I thought कि बहुत अच्छा होगा.
like first of all, croissants need to be soft. Yeah, what is
Yeah,
this?
I thought कि we will eat this with.
Hot chocolate.
Yeah.
You can have that.
I was very excited to try this. That's why we ate this at the last की. चाहे सब चीज़ कितनी भी बेकार हो, this will be good.
Yeah, no, it didn't lift up my mood. Sorry.
Not good, Zepto Cafe. Want to take?
No, I can't. I'm done.
Let me check the price for this. 100 rupees. Quantity wise, it's good. 400. Much better अगर taste भी अच्छा होता.
Exactly.
Rating for this croissant. From my side, for the taste, I would give it 1 out of 5. And for the price, it's good for the price, 4.5 out of 5. But why Zepto? Why did you make this?
Taste wise, it's like 1, something like that. I expected them to be better than this. Yeah, price point was good. It would be a 4 on 5. So, yeah.
So the best thing for the snacks option abhi tak we found the Vietnamese cold
Yeah.
coffee was very good. Garlic bread.
Garlic bread was nice, and
The garlic
also
bread was
the
nice.
Nuggets.
Yeah, nuggets were also nice. So you can order that. But-
These are the things you should try.
Butter croissants? Big no. Tandoori momos, which are not tandoori momos at
Yeah.
all. Order at your own risk. So see you at the dinner time. Bye.
Bye.